140. So the question is, who's got some do-re-mi opening bidder offer?
Okay. Alright, 1.3.
Loving your work, sir. Thank you and good luck in your endeavours. But don't quite hold your breath yet, but at 1,300,000, that's why you look like you know how to do an honest day's work with a builder's pencil in your ear. Would you like to bid me 1,350 too? Place the call at
1.35.
Okay, we get there together. Good on you. It's really hard to say no to her, isn't it? I understand. At 1,350,000. Sir, so my maths would tell me you got a nudge on 1.4. Assume you're still comfortable there in this location. 1.4, why wouldn't you? At 1,400,000 at a bid now. What's the call?
1.6.
1.6. Salute the bid. Good on you. At 1,600,000. That canary yellow kitchen I throw in at no extra charge. We're selling weeds here today, you just got to pick your own. That's all. At 1,600,000 at a bid. Little 25, sir.
No, I'm not.
Not a man of your means. But at 1.6 million, you can change your mind at any point. It poists at 1,600,000 out of it now.
1.6.
Oh, you're back. Take strength and courage to change your mind, sir. You got plenty of it at 1,605,000. Now, he has navigated your strategy, guys. But I'm still going to stand by you all afternoon to the bitter end at 1,605,000 at a bit now. What do you say? 1.7? That's my job, working for you on the phone. Got to ask. Asking you shall receive in the words of the good book.
1.610.
Okay, you're going to go like for like, measure for measure. Okay, 1,610,000. Team, sir. We're just going to pause there. I'm going to get some instructions on the phone. Guys, we'll have a conversation. She has graciously increased her bid to $1,615,000 on that proviso. I offer finality. We are on the market. We are selling. Make no 15. It goes. Will you list with the superstar? Nicola Whitley from St Heliers Bay Harcourts. It is going. It is sold to these people right here. Well done, guys.